Hey everyone! Welcome back to Visiona. Today we're diving into something super exciting. The Tesla Model Pi. You might be asking, what's a Tesla phone doing in a market filled with giants like Apple, Samsung, and Google? Well, grab your snacks, because we're about to break it all down. Alright, let's talk about the competition first. We've got the iPhone 16, known for its sleek design and exceptional photography capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is a powerhouse with a versatile camera, and the Google Pixel 9 Pro, celebrated for its outstanding computational photography. These brands have set the standard, but can the Tesla Model Pi hold its own? So, what makes the Tesla Model Pi unique? Here are the key features. Display. It supports a 6.7-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels. This means vibrant colors and sharp images, perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows. Performance. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. This phone is built for multitasking, whether you're gaming or juggling multiple apps. Camera. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Model Pi has a quad-camera setup featuring a 64-megapixel main lens. While it offers versatility, it faces tough competition. The iPhone 16 shines in low-light photography with its advanced night mode, and the Pixel 9 Pro utilizes AI to enhance image quality, particularly in challenging conditions. If photography is your primary focus, those might still lead the pack. Battery life. The Model Pi packs a 5,000 mAh battery supporting 120 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. But here's the kicker. It boasts an impressive 900 hours of standby time. So, if you're always on the go, this phone has you covered. Unique features. Oh, and did I mention it offers free data for the first 4 years? Yup, unlimited data at no extra cost. Perfect for streaming and browsing without worrying about overage fees. Now, let's get real for a second. What are the benefits and flaws of the Tesla Model Pi? Benefits. Innovative data support. Free data for 4 years is a game changer. Integration with Tesla ecosystem. If you own a Tesla, this phone will make your life easier by controlling car functions right from your device. Impressive battery life. That 900 hours of standby time means less charging hassle. Flaws. Camera quality. While it has a solid setup, it may not surpass the photography standards set by Apple and Google. Software optimization. Being a new player, the software might not be as refined as its competitors. Some users may experience bugs or glitches, just something to keep in mind. Limited availability. Depending on where you live, getting your hands on one might be a bit tricky right now. So, how does Tesla's entry into the smartphone market affect the giants like Apple and Samsung? Well, it's about to shake things up. Increased competition. With Tesla's innovative approach, traditional brands may feel the pressure to ramp up their game. Features like free data for 4 years could force competitors to rethink their pricing strategies and data plans. Innovation pressure. Tesla is known for pushing boundaries in the automotive industry. If they bring that same mentality to smartphones, we might see more innovations, like enhanced AR capabilities or seamless integration with other smart devices, prompting rivals to step up. Consumer expectations. Tesla's focus on eco-friendly technologies and sustainable practices could shift consumer expectations. People might start demanding more sustainable options from established brands, changing the landscape of smartphone manufacturing. In this sense, Tesla isn't just entering the market, they're challenging the status quo. And that can be a win for consumers as brands compete to offer better products. Does the Tesla Model Pi meet the needs of the modern user? In this era where we're always connected, the Model Pi's features align well with what many are looking for: great performance, solid battery life, and seamless integration with the tech ecosystem. However, with brands like Samsung and Apple continually innovating, Tesla has a steep hill to climb. Users want reliability, excellent camera quality, and a smooth user experience, all of which the established brands deliver consistently. Overall, the Tesla Model Pi is an exciting entry into the smartphone market. It has its strengths, especially if you're a Tesla enthusiast, but it still has room for improvement. If you value cutting-edge features and can live with a few flaws, it could be a great fit for you. So, what do you think? Is the Tesla Model Pi worth it in a world dominated by established brands? How do you think it will change the game for other smartphone manufacturers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews.